the secret ways to make anyone chase you. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to admit that we've all wanted to be chased by someone in the past. You know what I mean? I'm talking about that feeling you get when he/she buys you that expensive bouquet of flowers or tells you how much they really like spending time with you. You know when you catch him/her looking at you longingly, and don't even have to wait to hear what they say, because the look on their face says it all. Yeah, it feels good, doesn't it? Play hard to get. It's always good to play hard to get. It'll force them to want you more, and in the end they won't regret it as much. Plus, it gives them a sense of urgency so they don't miss out on the opportunity. You can even tease them a little bit at first, but don't overdo it or they'll never come back for more. Be confident. Confidence is an attractive quality and we all want people to be interested in us, so it's important that we show our confidence. It's not about being cocky or arrogant, it just means having self-worth and belief in your abilities. Here are 3 ways to show some of that confidence. 1. Dress the part. 2. Engage them with eye contact. 3. Smile. Be yourself. If you want someone to fall for you and stay with you, the key is being yourself. When someone falls in love with who you are, they'll do anything to be with you. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to prove your worth or win every argument. Simply be real and honest about who you are and what matters most in life. If that's not enough, stop worrying so much about what other people think of you and just focus on being happy with yourself instead. Be fun to be around. Everybody wants a partner in crime. Whether it's playing video games or watching TV, everybody needs somebody there to share their experience with. When we're with someone we enjoy being around, time always seems to fly by, and before you know it, an hour has gone by, and all of a sudden it's time for bed. If you want someone who will always have your back and be there for you no matter what happens, then just be yourself. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like, comment and share this video with others. Until next time. Bye.